The Lost Superfoods Review. Is the Lost Superfoods book worth your money, or it's just a scam? In this The Lost Superfoods Review, I'll explain the primary goal of this program, and actually the program works or not. Moreover, I am going to break down exactly why the program is so good, why you should trust the creator of this program, what's bad about the program, and by the end, give you the ability to decide whether it's right of you or not. So, watch this video till the end to know everything about the Lost Superfoods. Hey, my name is David, and I feel shy to speak to the camera. So, I used these awesome clips to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product and invest your hard-earned money in the right product. But before moving ahead, if you want to get the Lost Superfoods program at a limited time discounted price, do check out the discount link in description below this video. First, let's know, what is the Lost Superfoods all about? The Lost Superfoods is a book, or you can say a catalog of 126 forgotten superfoods and survival hacks passed on from generation to generation, after years of tweaking and experimenting. The author's goal is to have as many American households to be capable of hoarding food and other resources to survive a local emergency or natural artificial calamities that may last even a year. The superfood recipes in the book are meant to last without refrigeration or power supply for a long time. It has the recipes of the U.S. Doomsday Ration that was developed, and other shelf-stable and tasty food items to keep you alive during a calamity. What is included in the Lost Superfoods? The Lost Superfoods contain 126 recipes and other life hacks with colored pictures. It has long-lasting foods that can be stored without refrigeration. These include U.S. Doomsday Ration, healthy vital fats that don't need refrigeration, long-lasting bread, cheese preservation secrets, shelf-stable meat, fermented or solid soups, etc. You will also be directed on how to feed yourself for a whole month using just $100 at Walmart, and also about other world-growing superfoods. If you are quick enough, you will get 2 digital bonuses, with $27 each for free with the Lost Superfoods Guide. The bonus guides are on the underground year-round greenhouse in your backyard and other projects from the 1900s that will help you in the next crisis. Who is behind the Lost Superfoods? The Lost Superfood is the product of careful studies and observations of human history, and the knowledge acquired by keeping in close contact with survival experts from all over the world by Art Rude. Mr. Art Rude is a mathematics teacher and believes that we are all more vulnerable now than ever in the history of human civilization, especially when it comes to food. Art's father taught him many things his grandparents knew, and he chose to pass it on to all of us through this book. What ingredients are found in the Lost Superfoods book? The Lost Superfoods contains vital ancient American recipes, as well as other spectacular and forgotten food recipes. You get the color picture, which is simple to follow the instructions. You will find a clear and exact explanation here. Furthermore, you will receive 126 forgotten survival recipes, as well as the best food storage strategies. The Lost Superfoods book will provide you with the nutritional values of each food item, as well as the fat, carbohydrate, and protein content of these superfoods. 1. Great Depression food. This is one of the superfoods where you can learn about the American cuisine that was popular during the Great Depression. 1. The Lost Superfoods will also be the best tasting food that does not require the use of a refrigerator, and the cooking technique is simple and requires little cooking time. 2. Long-lasting bread. Next, you'll learn how to make a long-lasting bread with naturally healthy components that will help you feel more energized. 2. You will discover the ideal approach for swiftly cooking this delectable bread. 3. Cheese preservation secret. Even though there are many other methods, this is the best method for keeping the food at room temperature, even though most people keep it in the refrigerator. 3. You may easily keep the cheese for a long period, without needing a fridge if you use the technique described in the book. 4. Probiotic with a long-lasting effect. Following probiotic superfoods that are primarily calorie-free, you will discover the optimal strategy for processing this probiotic. 5. Meat that can be stored for a long time. This shelf-stable meat is a delectable recipe that is entirely coated with unique ingredients. 6. Ninja Superfood. The Ninja Superfood is an elite recipe featured in this Lost Superfood that gives you a distinctive taste and wonderful. 6. Aside from that, you'll find the unique formula, suitable food preservation procedures, and more. Disadvantages of the Lost Superfoods. 1. The Lost Superfoods is not available everywhere. 1. It is only available in the official website, and you can find the official website link below this video. 2. You need to spend some time going through the book and prepare your unique survival recipes. What makes the Lost Superfoods unique? The Lost Superfoods guidebook stands out for its ability to focus on foods that can last a very long time without refrigeration. This makes it a handy resource for crisis nutrition, instead of other books that teach people how to cook. Nowadays, nearly no one remembers the foods mentioned in the Lost Superfoods guidebook. According to the author, people should remember these natural foods. Unlike modern survival foods, they use authentic cooking and preservation methods to stay good for years. Besides, they don't need any freeze-drying method that only a few Americans can hope to afford. These foods can take as long as 3 years on the shelf without going bad. This implies that the food doesn't go bad, even in the absence of power. More importantly, these superfoods are cheap to make and stockpile for rainy days. Why should I buy the Lost Superfoods? When it comes to explaining the reasons why you should buy it, the answer is quite simple. It is because of how much impact it has had on so many people's lives, and that too, for the better. The Lost Superfoods customer reviews have given positive results and people just love this book. The Lost Superfoods customer reviews and complaints. Uses of this program have put forth a positive response to it. Most of the Lost Superfoods customer reviews state that it has helped them in a more positive way. Customers have been pleasantly surprised at how the book has helped them with every aspect of their life. Based on hundreds of reviews, the Lost Superfoods has 5-star rating. Is the Lost Superfoods legit or a scam? The Lost Superfoods is the product of years of experience, in collaboration with survival guides all around the world. Based on the Lost Superfoods reviews, this ebook contains the acquired knowledge of our ancestors, which kept them safe throughout history. These were the food items they used to survive natural disasters. The book already has a large number of followers. Thousands of customers found the book useful and declared that they got much more than what they expected. Besides, the guide has a 60-day, no questions asked return policy. If you are anywhere less than satisfied, you can mail the seller, and you will be refunded without any hassles. To offer such a refund policy, the Lost Superfoods must be legit. Does Lost Superfoods book come with any bonuses? If you buy the Lost Superfoods book now, you will get 2 digital bonus guides worth $27 each for absolutely free. 1. An underground year-round greenhouse in your backyard. This is a guide for building a year-round greenhouse that will give you 2 harvests per year. Depending on your local climate, the harvest can even be 3 or 4 times. This guide will help you build a perpetual food garden with around $200 and some days of leisurely work. 1. Projects from 1900 that will help you in the next crisis. This contains details of backyard medicines, smokehouses, root cellar, wells, and other life hacks that will make you self-sufficient for next crisis. My final verdict on the Lost Superfoods program. Should you buy the Lost Superfoods guide? I hope the Lost Superfoods review has helped you to get an idea about this book. In these tough times, food crisis can come anytime, so I would definitely recommend buying this book. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description of this video to buy the Lost Superfoods at a limited time discounted price. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.